Hello, once again, you're welcome to my channel where we learn how to make soap, skincare formulation, how to get our measurements correct, and then so many other things. Okay, today I'll be putting on this simple formulation of shampoo that you can do at home. I will just be working with the 200 grams of water. People get confused, gram or liter. 1000 grams make 1 liter. Okay, 1000 grams make 1 liter, so don't get confused. So I have here with me soda ash. And then I'll be adding glycerin here and also coconut oil. Okay, and I have the color here. I'll be using this color for it. Okay, so we can go ahead and dissolve our chemicals now, and I will be adding citric acid to it to preserve it. Okay, and then although as you might want it, let's get into it and see how it go. So I have here extra 100 grams of water to mix this. Okay, so let's go. Out of that 100, I'm going to mix the sulfate. Just take part of it and mix the sulfate, sodium sulfate. Okay, I mix it, just part of the 100 we used to mix it, and then until it is well cleared. Okay, you mix it. Sodium sulfate helps in the foaming, is a foaming agent, of course, and then it takes time before it dissolves, so you have to be patient with it. While we wait for that one, for the caustic soda, I mix every other one with water. Okay, the SLS too, I mix it, add water to it. You can grant your SLS so that it will be faster in dissolving, but I will take time to dissolve it, so you can grind it so that I can form fine powder first. And of course my soda ash too, I add my water and then I mix them so that they are properly dissolved. Okay, when they are properly dissolved, I come back to show us. Okay, this is the SLS, so I'll be pouring my caustic soda to it. Okay, so the next thing, I'll be pouring my soda ash. Then you mix thoroughly. You must mix thoroughly. As we mix, the knob will keep falling off. We keep mixing. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be mixing with my sodium sulfate. My sodium sulfate to it. Then you mix. Remember I said I put 100 grams of water somewhere to be mixing it. So I use it to rinse my plate. Okay. So make sure the whole knot is gotten rid of. When it's properly mixed, I can now add my 200 grams of water to it. Just to remind us once again that I run online classes. You can reach me on the number written on your screen. Chat me up and now you'll be added to the group. Okay, so as you are mixing it, you watch your consistency. Okay, and I also have an ebook where I have so many recipes for you to work with at your own convenience. Okay. Okay, so at this moment, whatever the essential oil you want to put, I'll be putting my glycerin. I just need about a quarter of spoon. You know the work the glycerin does, it moisturizes and then of course helps on the skin, your scalp too. I mix it. And then I add my coconut oil. Okay, the first one I added was coconut oil, this glycerin. Okay, so I mix it together. Don't forget to join my online class. Making all this skincare is not difficult. Just follow the pattern, follow the explanation, you will get it right. So I haven't mixed my essential oil. What else am I going to put? I will be putting the preservative there, and then I will just add about 4 to 5 drops into it. That is this. So what you saw me drop is the citric. Just few drops. You can see it's already thickening. So at this time you can add your color now. I'm using green color. You can use the color of your choice. Thanks so much for watching too. Now I will appreciate if you can just give this video a like, and if you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Why not just give it a subscription and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload content like this, will be among the first set of people that will see. I love the color coming out as lemon color, the color of your choice. We do. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cover it, and then after about 3-4 hours I will come back to show us. We will see the consistency again. Thanks so much for spending your time. See you when I've covered. When I open it, I will come to show us. Thanks so much.